As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the ChuMaste 3-burner propane grill, B0CFR2CZP9, and the Lifemaster Portable Stainless Steel Grill, B0C784LNY1. First impression?
The ChuMaste looks like a standard backyard grill, while the Lifemaster seems more geared towards camping or RV-ing. It's described as a tabletop grill.
Yeah, exactly. The ChuMaste boasts a larger cooking area, 464.8 square inches. The Lifemaster only offers 275 square inches. So, bigger gatherings, go with ChuMaste.
True, but the Lifemaster is all stainless steel, which should be super durable and easy to clean. The ChuMaste also has stainless steel components, but it's not clear if the entire thing is.
Good point. And the ChuMaste weighs a hefty 51.9 pounds compared to Lifemaster's 21 pounds. Portability definitely goes to Lifemaster. And it has foldable legs to help with that.
The ChuMaste has 3 burners at 30,000 BTUs total, while the Lifemaster has 2 burners at 20,000 BTUs total. Some more heat with the ChuMaste, which makes sense given the larger grilling area.
Right. The ChuMaste also has foldable side tables for prep space, which is pretty convenient. The Lifemaster is more minimalist in that respect.
One thing to consider is availability. The Lifemaster is currently unavailable, so that's an immediate disadvantage.
Definitely. Price-wise, the ChuMaste is around $168.99. We don't have a current price for the Lifemaster, but that's a factor too, assuming it comes back in stock.
The ChuMaste has a built-in thermometer, which is handy. Does the Lifemaster?
It does. The Lifemaster also has a thermometer in the lid.
Okay, so it comes down to what you need. For serious backyard grilling, the ChuMaste offers more space and power. If you need something truly portable and lightweight for camping or tailgating, the Lifemaster, if available, is the better bet.
Agreed. And, read the customer reviews. They often highlight build quality issues or assembly headaches that the specs don't reveal. People mention bent pieces with the ChuMaste, and the Lifemaster gets praise for its sturdy construction. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.